Meet the Admiral Butterfly, a true beauty of the skies. In the vast tapestry of nature's winged creatures, few capture the imagination quite like the Admiral Butterflies. These remarkable insects, belonging to the genus Vanessa, are among the most recognizable and widely distributed butterflies in the world. With their bold patterns, impressive flight capabilities, and fascinating life cycles, Admiral Butterflies represent nature's artistry at its finest, painting the skies with living brushstrokes of orange, black, and white. The Admiral family, a dynasty of wings. The Admiral Butterfly family encompasses several distinctive species, each with its own unique characteristics and charm. The most prominent members include the Red Admiral, Vanessa atlanta, the Painted Lady, Vanessa cardui, and the White Admiral, Limonitis arthemis. While each species displays variations in coloring and behavior, they all share the regal bearing that earned them their noble moniker. The Red Admiral stands as perhaps the most iconic of the group, instantly recognizable by its striking black wings adorned with brilliant red bands and white spots. These bold markings serve not merely as decoration but as sophisticated survival mechanisms, helping to startle predators and communicate with potential mates. The contrast between the deep black base and vibrant red creates one of nature's most stunning visual displays, turning each flight into a living work of art. The Painted Lady, often called the cosmopolitan butterfly, boasts perhaps the most extensive range of any butterfly species on Earth. Its wings showcase a delicate palette of orange, brown, and pink hues, decorated with intricate eye spots that shimmer in the sunlight. Meanwhile, the White Admiral presents a more understated elegance, with its black wings marked by pristine white bands that create a sense of sophisticated simplicity. Masters of migration, epic journeys across continents. What truly sets Admiral Butterflies apart from many of their winged cousins is their extraordinary capacity for migration. These seemingly delicate creatures undertake journeys that would challenge even the most seasoned travelers, crossing vast distances that span continents and oceans. The Red Admiral, in particular, demonstrates remarkable navigational abilities, with populations traveling hundreds or even thousands of miles between their breeding and overwintering grounds. Unlike the famous monarch butterfly migration, which follows a multi-generational pattern, Admiral Butterflies often complete their migrations within a single lifetime. This feat requires incredible endurance and an innate compass system that scientists are still working to fully understand. These butterflies use a combination of solar positioning, magnetic field detection, and landmark recognition to navigate their epic journeys with remarkable precision. During migration periods, Admiral Butterflies can be observed in massive groups, creating spectacular aerial displays as thousands of individuals move together toward their destination. These migrations are triggered by a complex interplay of environmental factors including temperature changes, daylight duration, and food availability. The timing is crucial, as the butterflies must balance the need to reproduce with the imperative to reach suitable overwintering habitats before harsh weather arrives. Life cycle wonders, from caterpillar to butterfly. The transformation of Admiral Butterflies from humble caterpillars to magnificent flying creatures represents one of nature's most remarkable metamorphoses. The life cycle begins when adult females carefully select host plants for their eggs, demonstrating an intimate knowledge of which plants will provide the best nutrition for their offspring. Admiral caterpillars are fascinating creatures in their own right, often displaying spiky appearances and intricate patterns that help them blend with their surroundings. Red Admiral caterpillars, for instance, typically feed on nettles, creating silk shelters within the leaves where they can safely grow and molt. These caterpillars exhibit remarkable engineering skills, constructing protective homes that shield them from both predators and harsh weather conditions. The pupation stage reveals another marvel of natural design. Admiral chrysalides often display golden or silvery accents that catch and reflect light, earning them names like golden pupae. This metallic sheen isn't merely decorative but serves important protective functions, helping to regulate temperature and potentially confusing predators with its reflective properties. When the adult butterfly finally emerges, it undergoes a critical period where its wings must dry and harden before the first flight. This vulnerable time showcases the butterfly's remarkable patience and instinctual knowledge, as it waits for precisely the right moment to take to the skies for the first time. Ecological champions, environmental indicators and pollinators. Admiral butterflies serve as vital components of their ecosystems, functioning both as pollinators and as important indicators of environmental health. As they visit flowers in search of nectar, they inadvertently transfer pollen between plants, contributing to the reproduction of countless flowering species. Their feeding preferences often lead them to native wildflowers, making them particularly valuable for supporting indigenous plant communities. The presence and abundance of admiral butterflies in an ecosystem often reflect the overall health of that environment. These butterflies are sensitive to pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change, making their populations valuable barometers for conservationists and researchers. When admiral butterfly numbers decline in an area, it frequently signals broader environmental challenges that may affect entire ecological communities. Their caterpillars also play crucial roles as herbivores, helping to control plant growth and creating feeding opportunities for birds, spiders, and other predators. This positions admiral butterflies as important links in complex food webs, supporting biodiversity at multiple trophic levels. Behavioral marvels, intelligence in flight. Despite their reputation as simple creatures driven purely by instinct, admiral butterflies display surprisingly complex behaviors that suggest forms of learning and adaptation. Males often establish territories around preferred feeding areas or potential mating sites, engaging in aerial competitions with rivals that can involve intricate flight maneuvers and strategic positioning. Admiral butterflies demonstrate remarkable memory capabilities, returning to productive feeding locations day after day and showing preferences for specific types of flowers. They also exhibit sophisticated social behaviors, sometimes gathering in large groups around mineral-rich puddles or rotting fruit, where they engage in puddling behavior to obtain essential nutrients. Their flight patterns reveal impressive aerodynamic capabilities, with the ability to soar, glide, hover, and execute sudden directional changes that would challenge even modern aircraft designers. These flying skills prove essential for evading predators, navigating complex environments, and efficiently covering the vast distances required during migration. Survival strategies, nature's defense mechanisms. Admiral butterflies have evolved an impressive arsenal of survival strategies that have enabled them to thrive across diverse environments and geographical regions. Their wing patterns serve multiple defensive functions, from startling predators with sudden flashes of bright color to creating confusion about which direction the butterfly is facing or moving. Many admiral species employ seasonal flexibility in their life cycles, with some populations producing multiple generations per year while others enter extended dormancy periods during unfavorable conditions. This adaptability allows them to maximize their reproductive success while minimizing exposure to environmental hazards. Their feeding behaviors also reflect sophisticated survival strategies. While adults primarily consume nectar from flowers, they supplement their diet with tree sap, rotting fruit, and mineral-rich mud, ensuring they obtain all necessary nutrients for survival and reproduction. This dietary flexibility enables them to thrive in environments where single food sources might be unreliable. Conservation challenges and hope. Like many butterfly species, admiral butterflies face mounting pressures from habitat loss, climate change, and human activities. Urban development, agricultural intensification, and the widespread use of pesticides have reduced available habitat and food sources in many regions. Climate change poses additional challenges by disrupting traditional migration routes and timing, potentially separating butterflies from their essential resources. However, admiral butterflies also demonstrate remarkable resilience and adaptability. Their wide host plant ranges, flexible feeding behaviors, and strong flight capabilities provide them with advantages over more specialized species. Conservation efforts focused on creating butterfly gardens, preserving native plant communities, and establishing migration corridors show promising results for supporting admiral butterfly populations. Citizen science projects have proven particularly valuable for monitoring admiral butterfly populations and understanding their behavior patterns. Amateur naturalists and butterfly enthusiasts contribute vital data about sightings, migration timing, and habitat preferences, creating a comprehensive picture of how these remarkable creatures are responding to environmental changes. a living symbol of natural wonder. Admiral butterflies embody the delicate beauty and remarkable resilience that characterize the natural world. Their presence transforms ordinary gardens and wild spaces into stages for one of nature's most captivating performances. Each admiral butterfly represents millions of years of evolutionary refinement, resulting in creatures perfectly adapted to their aerial lifestyle while maintaining the flexibility to thrive in an ever-changing world. Observing admiral butterflies offers profound reminders of nature's complexity and interconnectedness. These magnificent creatures connect flowering plants with their pollinators, link distant geographical regions through their migrations, and provide countless moments of wonder for anyone fortunate enough to witness their graceful flights. As we continue to learn about and appreciate admiral butterflies, we gain deeper insights into the intricate web of life that surrounds us. Their continued presence in our skies depends on our commitment to preserving the natural habitats and ecological relationships that sustain them. In protecting admiral butterflies, we protect not just individual species but entire ecosystems that support countless forms of life. The admiral butterfly truly deserves its regal title, ruling over gardens and meadows with grace, beauty, and an indomitable spirit that continues to inspire all who encounter these remarkable ambassadors of the natural world. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.